So we'll read the question now. It is chapter 1.2. Represent these numbers on the number line. Question 1 is 7 by 4. Question number 2 is minus 5 by 6. First we will draw a simple number line. So we know left side is minus 1, minus 2. So on the right side it will go 1, 2 like this. Okay. So now they are asking 7 by 4. Okay, this is a plus symbol. So we'll go on this side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 8. Okay. So we will just divide it. Just we will write 1 by 4. So second is 2 by 4. Third is 3 by 4. And the fourth is 4 by 4. So next is 5 by 4. So 6 by 4. And it is 7 by 4. It is 8 by 4. So we let us take this one. Let us consider this one as 1 centimeter. Then that 1 centimeter is divided by 4. So it is split into 4 parts. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, and naturally it is 8 by 4, simply nothing but 2, because 8 by 4 is 2. So we got we are in second centimeter. Okay, this is a simple. It can be written in a different way also. Our answer is this is our answer. It can be different. We can write it different way. 7 by 4 is nothing but 1 3 by 4. Okay, 1 3 by 4. So we already got a 1 here. So it is a 1 2 3. So the same is can be written as a 1 3 by 4 also. So 7 by 4 is nothing but 1 3 by 4. Okay. So now we'll read the second question. Second question, same, 0 and minus 1, it will go minus 2. So 1 2. Okay, now they have given in minus 5 by 6. Okay, so we will go like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so first one is minus 1 by 6. Second one is 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. Here it is nothing but minus 6 by 6. So we got a minus 1. So or in other terms this minus 1 is split into 6 parts. So minus 1. So it is a split. So our answer is here. So minus 5 by 6. It's very simple. Okay. So now we will read a second question. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. It's very simple. Okay, we'll put a number line 0. So we know it will 1, 2, things like that. So they have given a minus. They have given everything is minus. So it is the denominator is 11. So we will take so minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11. So minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11. So minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, okay, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and minus 11 by 11. Okay, so they have asked minus 2 by 11. Okay, it is one thing, minus 2 by 11. Second one is minus 5 by 11. Third one is minus minus 9 by 11. So they are given denominator is 11. So this minus 1 centimeter, this is nothing but minus 1. Okay, this minus 1 centimeter is divided equally into 11 parts. So we get this all the things. So minus 1 is divided by equally by 11 parts. So we get the answer like this. Okay, it's very simple. Let's move for next question. Go to the third question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So we know number line 0, 1, 1, 2. So they ask 2 only. So we'll stop minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. Okay. So less than smaller number. So they ask less than small number. So all these numbers are less than small only. So minus 3, 5 rational numbers. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So these are all less than this number 2. Okay, this is one way. We can also write in a different way. So let's take 2. Let we multiply 2 by 10. Okay, so it will become 20 by 10, because it's nothing but 2 by 1. Okay, so 20 by 2 is nothing but 20 by 10. Okay, 20 by 10. So all the numbers less than 20 by 10 is nothing but so 19 by 10, 18 by 10, 17 by 10, 16 by 10, 15 by 10. So all these numbers are smaller than this 20 by 2. So we can write like this also. So the rational numbers can be written in any way. But only things we should know the logic and the basics of things. So if you know the logic and the basic of things, then we can understand easily. Otherwise, there is a possibility of getting confused. Okay, so we have to know the basic of these things. Okay, so next we will go for next question. Read the fourth question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So they have given minus 2 by 5, 1 by 2. So this both the fractions, let me equalize the denominators. Okay, so I multiply by 4, so it will become 20. So here I multiply by 10. Okay, so first one is, so this fraction will become minus 8 by 20, and it will become 10 by 20. Now the denominators are equalized. Okay, both are equalized. So all the numbers in between these two fraction is the answer. So it is simply nothing but minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20. So it will go like this. It will go up to 9 by 20. Okay, this is very simple sum. Okay, we will read the fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, so first we have to equalize the denominators on both the rational number. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So first I multiply by 10 this side. Okay, so 30, it will so it has to be multiplied by 6. So what will happen? It will become 20 by 30, and here it will become 24 by 30. Okay, so the in between these numbers are 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. We got only 3 numbers. They are asking 5 numbers. So we have to simply multiply this number by 2. So we will get the answer. So it is 20 by 30. So 24 by 30. Let us multiply by 2. Okay, so it will become 40 by 60. So it will become 48 by 60. So simply it is 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, and 45 by 60. Okay, this is very simple logic. We have to equalize the denominator. So we got only three numbers. So we have to multiply it by 2. So 20 by 13 become 24. 24 by 30 is that 20 by 30 become 40 by 60, and it will become 48 by 60. So we got the in between these rational numbers. This is very simple. Okay. The second question, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So we have to just equalize the denominator on both the fraction. Okay, so minus 3 by 2, 5 by 3. So I multiply by this as 15, and it will be 10. So okay, it will become minus 45. Here it is 30. So here it is 50 by 30. So all the numbers in between these two rational number is the answer. So it will become so in between number minus 44 by 30, minus 43 by 30, minus 42 by 30. It will go on like this till we get the number 49 by 30. So in between all the numbers are there. We have just write the 5 numbers. Okay. Now we will go for third sum. So they are asking 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, now I just equalize this both the denominators. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So let us multiply it by 5. Let us multiply by 10 to get the equal denominator. It will become, first one become 5 by 20. So it will become 10 by 20. So we got 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20, 9 by 20. We got only 4 rational number in between these numbers. As I already said, we have to just multiply by 2. So what has come, we have to multiply by 2. So it has to multiply by 2. So it will become 10 by 40, and the second one will be 20 by 40. So all the numbers in between this will be 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 14 by 40, things like that till 19 by 40. Okay. Sixth question. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So we already seen this question previously. I think question number 3. Okay, same method we will follow. They have given minus 20. Sorry, minus 2. Now we will multiply this by 10. So minus 2 by 1 it is multiply by 10. So what will become, it will minus 20. So here it will become 10. So minus 20 by 10. So all the numbers which comes on the right side of this number on the number line are greater than this number. So it is minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. So we can write empty numbers here. Okay. So this is a simple logic. The numbers which are greater means nothing but the numbers which come on the right side of this number on the number line is greater. Okay, now we will read the seventh question. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, so 3 by 5, 3 by 4. So they are asking 10 rational number. So it is better to multiply by a greater number to equalize the denominator. So if you multiply by a smaller number, we will get answers, but we will not get 10 rational numbers. We will get less number. So I go for a big number. Okay, I will multiply by 8. So here, so it will be 40. So it will become by 10, it will be 40. So first one is 24 by 40, and this is 30 by 40. So now we got a rational number in between 25 by 40, 26 by 40, 27 by 40, 28 by 40, 29 by 40. So we got only 5 rational numbers. We don't get the 10 rational numbers. Then as I said earlier, this fraction has to be multiplied by 2. Simple. So 24 by 40, 30 by 40, 2, 2. Okay. So it will become 48 by 80. It will become 60 by 80. Now we get more numbers. Okay, 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. Now we get the number 49 by 80. So in between this number 50 by 80, 51 by 80, it will go like this and up to 59 by 80. So it will be more than 10 numbers. So this is a way of doing these rational numbers. It's very easy actually. Okay.